I think this is gonna work. It sounds good. It looks good. Let's try this again. My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're going to be unboxing just miscellaneous stuff that I bought for my Grand Canyon trip. We're T-minus 7 days away from that long hiking trip, so I just thought I would unbox. I just have a couple of things that I wanted to share with you and unbox right before I go, and I'm going to be testing these out this weekend as well with my brother. So the first thing that I got, always, you should always buy new things like this, are socks. So I bought these. I don't know if I'm going to use them though. These are what's known as sock liners. They apparently keep your feet really dry, but I don't know if I like these, or I don't know if I'm going to use them because they just seem kind of gimmicky to me almost. So these ones I bought, these are by Fox River is what the name of the company is. I don't know if you can see that there. They're blue in color, but look at how thin these are. I mean, this is just silly. Look at this. Do you think this is actually possible to use? I don't know. So we will find out if I'm going to use this or not, but I'm thinking probably not. No, because it's supposed to like wick away the sweat. So I just thought I'm going to test these out this weekend. I don't know if they're going to work or not, whatever. I always buy fresh socks though before I go hiking anywhere, especially on a big hiking trip such as this. And this I would consider to be a huge hiking trip. So in this case, yes, I'm going to be using these socks. More than likely, these are just the Under Armour socks. And you can see there, again, not sponsored by any of these people, by the way, but I bought all this stuff. You could typically buy this stuff off of the, like, I don't know if you bought anything during the Amazon Prime Day. A lot of times they have hiking stuff like this on sale, so. And then there's just a couple other things I bought along with the socks. I bought more of these type of socks too. So these ones are the wool, the extra thick hiking socks. So you can see there's 4 pair here, but look at how thick these are. These are super nice. So I'm really excited to use these in the Grand Canyon. I think they're gonna go really well with my other sock liners. So what I usually do is I wear these with the Under Armour socks underneath. So I put the Under Armour socks on first, followed by these on top, but look at how thick these are. And that kind of makes these, I guess, be the underlying sock liner, right? So as long as you use a sock liner, it'll be really good and your feet will be very cozy and comfortable while you're hiking extra long distances. And then finally, I just got a couple additional things too on what Amazon likes to call their Black Friday. It's the Prime Day sale. So I bought a new one of these. I actually have an old one. These are really nice, the cooling towels. I have an old one. It's frayed on the sides. I'll have to show you. But I bought a new one of these and it's the exact same. I just bought a different color basically. So I just bought the same thing again. So I bought the orange one though instead, the bright green. What do they call this? The high visibility one. So it's truly a bright green color. And I don't need to unbox this. We all know what cooling towels are. So what's nice about these is that you basically put water, you run them under cold water, and you can wrap them around your head. That's what I like to do. And they're big, and they keep your body cold. So I don't even know if you could see. That's really bright color. It's like a incredibly bright green color. So let me focus in on this. So I don't know if you can see that there though. You can kind of see it in the shade. So you can see that's like a bright lime green color. So, but it's really nice. So it's actually quite a big size, and it's perfect to wrap around your neck, keep yourself cool, especially while hiking the Grand Canyon. It's going to be hot. So what I like to do is wrap it around my neck, stuff it down my shirt, and that way it keeps me nice and ice cold while I'm hiking. So, and then the last thing that I got, and I just needed some more of, is this Dr. Scholl's the Moleskin. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but this is some really great stuff. So the Moleskin actually is just, let me open up the box here to show you. It just comes in this little box. Again, not a sponsor. So it's actually really nice because it's a huge, just soft Band-Aid. So this is just really soft material. And then the other side is a sticky paper that you remove in order to put it, you can cut it to size. So you can cut it to any size that you want. This is 2 inches right here, and it's by 2 feet. So you can wrap it around your leg or whatever, but I like it because I can, you know, cut your own Band-Aid size, basically. I don't have to worry about, you know, bringing Band-Aids or whatnot. I'm just gonna bring this roll of Moleskin. And what I like about it is that Moleskin is sticky on all, you know, this is all paper here. This whole thing is paper, so you can just tear this off and it's sticky the whole way. You know, there's no like gap in the stickiness or anything like that. So anyway, so that's it. I just thought I would do a quick video about all the miscellaneous stuff that I've been buying for my trip to the Grand Canyon. Feel free to thumbs up this video if you like this content and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.